Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up color filter shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for our color filter options and how to set up our shortcut. We need to go to settings first, then we are looking for accessibility options in here, and here we have visibility enhancements. Then in color filter options we have color filter shortcut. When we tap this option, now we have three options to choose from. For example, we can use our accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen, or we can use our button shortcuts. But let's use this one. So if we now use this shortcut, as you can see, it's working. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.